Aside from LeakTronics building top-notch leak detection equipment, probes, deck plates, listening devices to find these leaks under slabs, under long runs, we also offer an online training program for plumbers. This online training program covers literally everything. It covers from the business aspect, it covers marketing, it covers how to get your name out there, how to be found for specifically leak detection, which will always add to your bottom line. It also covers the technical part of using this equipment, and it also covers everything there is to know about doing these leak detections and generating income from it. Another feature that we offer besides the online training is our app. And it's a leak detection app specifically for plumbers for when you're out on the job site. So it's taking the customer information, and by asking the right questions, we could start documenting what could be going on out there. Has any construction been done around the house? So on and so forth. All the questions that are pertinent for a leak detection. Take job site photo through the app, and then it literally has a checklist that will walk you through a complete leak detection, from babysitting the meter, watching it, shutting house to meter, seeing if we're running after that point, to touching all stub ups and doing everything that's required to do in a leak detection. As you're doing this leak detection, you're taking photos, and then boom, it will generate a report, and it's easy to send right out to your office to be edited or checked, or you could send it directly to the customer from the job site. One other aspect is the technical support, and I can't emphasize this enough. LeakTronics technical support has people that will answer the phone while you're out on a job. We do it all day long. Don't be afraid to pick up if you're an existing customer. And if you're thinking of joining the LeakTronics team by purchasing our equipment, doing the training, using the app, wait till you see how we can help you as far as that's concerned. You're out on a job, we're going to ask you specific questions. Is it multi-unit? Is it one building? Is it a farm property? We're going to find out what's going on, and then we're going to point you to the best equipment in your arsenal that's going to get you to pinpoint these leaks and put you right on top of them. So now that you did our training, now that you have our app, now that you know you're fully supported with technical support, you could go on our Find a Pro locator. We get thousands, we get 30, 40,000 hits a month of people looking for leak detection professionals in their area worldwide. And once you're on there, you will be found as the go-to leak detector in your area. So again, somebody is typing in a specific area to look up a leak detector on our Find a Pro map. They know that they're going with a good source because we have thousands of professional swimming pool and plumbing leak detection professionals located within this platform. They're looking for you, they punch it in, they punch in their area, and boom, your company is going to get found, and that's going to lead to more and more business. For more information, visit LeakTronics.com and always check out our YouTube channel.